Andrews Bald is a short 3.6-mile trail, and it makes a great standalone hike or a trail to accompany Clingmans Dome in the Smokies. Surprisingly, it was really cold when we started in the morning, especially for a June hike, but the fresh air, incredible mountain views, and the sounds of birds made it an amazing trip. Once you make it to the top at Andrews Bald, you'll get an amazing overlook of the Smoky Mountain range and Fontana Lake. We really enjoyed getting to sit at the top, eat lunch, and take in the sight. Overall, Andrews Bald is an amazing hike, and I recommend you check it out. And if you're interested in shopping for apparel inspired by your favorite trails, you can check out my online store at eastridgeapparel.com. Keep hiking.